Having the Gigabyte App Center or GCC keeps starting every time you boot your PC on Windows 11 or Windows 10. This frustrating startup pop-up slow down your system. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stop App Center keeps starting on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's get started. If you want to run or open any applications or file, it will open behind the App Center and it will be disturbing for you to work with it. Now I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. Right click on taskbar, click on Task Manager, click on Fewer Details, and here you will find Gigabyte Download Assistant. Right click on it and click on Open File Location. This is the file. Right click on the file and click on Properties. Now click on Security tab and here change the permissions for all users. Just click on Edit and change the permission to deny everything for all users. I'm going to change to deny permission and for all users. Click on OK. Now click on OK. OK again. Close File Explorer. Now right click on Gigabyte Download Assistant and click on End Task. Now close Task Manager and now click on OK. App Center is not appeared on my desktop. In this way, you can fix this issue.